Gary DeLeo back here at the world's greatest, hardest track for heat number 4. Fans, we having a good time out here? Okay, here we go. Race 4 here, guys. And lane 1 is Cooper. Cooper, put your head back in. And lane 2 is Millie. 4, we have another Ollie. And 6, Lucy, who's trying to look over the top. All right, guys, let's get ready. Lucy, turn around over here. 1, 2, 3. Looks like Lucy's a winner. Lucy. Come on over here, Luce. Lucy doesn't want to come to the winner's circle. Lucy, let's come here. Hey, Luce. Emily and Lucy, come on over. Congratulations. Luce, I seen you looking over the top. You were trying to get a head start on everybody.
She was petrified.
You did good, though, Luce. You beat everybody easily. Where are you from?
We're from Oakland.
Oakland, New
Yeah.
Jersey. How old is Luce?
She's 2.5.
2.5. You ready for the big race later,
Yeah,
Luce?
she's ready. She's ready.
Okay, listen, congratulations.
Thank you.
We'll see you back after the next race, and we'll see you after race 8.
All right, thank you.